Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Sanskrit language is very important, honored all over the world, especially in Germany. They are very much fond of this Sanskrit. There are many German scholars who can speak in Sanskrit language for hours. They are so serious students of Sanskrit. One of my god brother, he is now in Sweden. He used to speak that when one Indian student used to come to our country from London, in British days, Indians would go to London and he would take a degree there and would become a big man. That was the system. So while coming back home, naturally they used to visit other European countries. So in Germany, they used to test the Indian student how far he knew about his own culture. So this, my godbrother, his name was Ernst Schulze. Now he is Sadananda Swami. So he said that as soon as we saw that the student did not know anything of his Indian culture, we immediately rejected it. That is useless. So, if those who are Indians, especially present in this meeting, that if you want to glorify your country, then you present this Vedic literature. You cannot excel the Western countries by so-called technological knowledge. That is not possible. They are far advanced, 100 years advanced. Whatever machine you may discover, that machine was discovered 100 years ago in Western countries. So you can earn anything. So if you want Indians to glorify your country, then present this Vedic culture, heart and soul. And just like I am trying to do it. So how people are accepting it? There is substance. Before me, so many Swamis came in this country. They could not present the real thing. They wanted some money and went there. That's all. Our this Krishna consciousness movement is not that. We want to give something to the Western countries. That is our purpose. Not we have come to beg, we have to give him something. That is my mission. They come here to beg, give me rice, give me dal, give me wheat, give me money. But I have come here to give something of Indian culture. That is the difference. So, you, European American students, you take full advantage of this Vedic culture. I am therefore so much laboring hard that before my leaving this body, I may give you some books which you can enjoy after my death. So utilize it. Utilize it. Read every sloka nicely, try to understand the meaning, discuss amongst yourself, Nityang Bhagavata Sevaya. That is our mission. Nashta prayeshu avadreshu Nityang Bhagavata Sevaya. abhadra. We have got so many dirty things within our heart. So these dirty things can be cleansed simply by Krishna consciousness. There is no other method. Sinnatang sakatha Krishna punna savana kirtana riddyantyastya vadrani vidhunati suhitsatam nashtaprayeshu avadreshu nittang bhagavata sevaya bhagavati uttama sloke bhakti bhavati nashti. This is the process. Sinnatang sakatha Krishna. Krishna is within your heart. Krishna is trying to help you from within and from without. From without, he is presenting his form in this temple. You can take the advantage of serving him. He is sending his representative, spiritual master, to speak you directly about Krishna. And he is ready to help you from within as Paramatma. Krishna is so kind. He wants that you are all suffering in this material existence. Krishna comes as he is and he canvasses. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam bhaja. So, Bhagavata Sevaya, Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, cleansing the heart, Cheta Darpana Marjanam. This is the process. We are part and parcel of God, Krishna. So, we are pure. We have become impure on account of material contamination. So we have to purify ourselves. And the process is to hear about Krishna. That's all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Krishna, Krishna,